Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in to WhatsApp Web in 2026. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, or any modern web browser, the process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. In the address bar, type web.whatsapp.com and press enter. After the page loads, you'll see a unique QR code on your screen. Now, take your smartphone and open the WhatsApp app. If you're using an Android phone, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Linked Devices. If you're using an iPhone, open Settings and then tap Linked Devices. Next, tap Link a device. If your phone asks for your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode, complete the verification. Your phone's camera will open automatically. Now, point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen and scan it. Within a few seconds, WhatsApp Web will securely connect to your account, and all of your chats will appear in the browser. You can now send and receive messages, share photos, videos, and documents, use emojis and stickers, search conversations, and manage your chats directly from your computer. As long as your phone remains linked to your account, signing in again is fast and convenient. And that's it. You've successfully logged in to WhatsApp Web. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.